Defense expert PK Sehgal has said it would be premature to comment on the developments with regard to Indo-Pak ties. He said one would have to wait till things get clear, and he has called the talks of delay in dialogue as speculative. Sehgal said that the US Secretary of State John Kerry has called up Pakistan and asked it to act at right earnest. Interestingly, in view of the growing doubt over the Foreign Secretary level talks of January 15th, Kerry called up Pakistan Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif on Saturday to highlight the need to stay the course for dialogue. Pakistan's Foreign Secretary Ejaz Ahmad Chaudhry has notably reiterated that Pakistan will not allow terrorists to use its territory to launch attacks on the other countries. Meanwhile, Nawaz Sharif has said he will take swift action.
I don't think it will send any sort of a message on the lines that is being anticipated. It's speculative at this moment of time to say that the talks are going to be postponed, the talks are going to be cancelled, the talks are going to be dates are going to be modified, the modus operandi is going to undergo a change. Well, everything is on the table. Our Prime Minister spoke to his counterpart and said that we want actionable intelligence within a reasonable time frame. And that reasonable time frame that we indicated has already come to an end. This notwithstanding, for the first time ever, a very clear-cut warning to Pakistan has been conveyed by America. John Kerry has personally spoken to Nawaz Sharif. Personally, for the first time ever, the Pakistani Defence Minister Khwaja Saab has accepted guilt and have indicated to the government of India that they are going to treat this as an act of terrorism, and they will not differentiate between whether it is LET or JM or JUD. They will treat all terrorists as such, and possibly they will take steps to move ahead and eliminate this for all times to come.
Powered by NNIS.